Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about circumference and area of a circle. So let's start off with the circumference. So the circumference is a word synonymous to perimeter, and it's only used for circles, circumference, circles. So there is a formula for the circumference. So C stands for circumference, equals 2 pi r, or you can have circumference equal pi times d. So, d pi. So what are these variables? Well, 2 pi, this is an irrational number, pi, and then r is your radius. And then we talked about how C is circumference. And then here, your alternative is pi times d. So d is your diameter, because remember, half your diameter is your radius. So you can always use either or. So we have an example here. Find the circumference. So let's say we're given the radius. And the radius of this circle was 4. So find the circumference. So we're trying to find this outer area. So this black line. How long is it? So we can use the formula for circumference, which is 2 pi r, since we're given the radius. So C equals 2 pi times r. And C equals 2 pi times 4. And then we can combine the 2 and 4. So C equals 4 times 2 is 8 pi. Now, if I was given the diameter, then actually let me just create a duplicate of this. So if I was given, let's say that this time I was given the diameter and it was 15. So the diameter was 15. So then I can use my C equals pi times d formula. So in this case, circumference equals pi times 15. Therefore, C equals 15 pi. And that's all there is to it. Now let's go to area of a circle. Well, the area of a circle has the formula area equals pi r squared. And it has to be a radius, and this is the only formula you have for area. So your A stands for area, your pi is irrational number, and r is your radius. So let's say you were given a circle with the radius 3. Then your area for this circle would be A equals pi r squared. A equals pi times 3 squared. A equals 9 pi. Now, I want to try another example here. Let's say I'm going to make a duplicate of this, and let's say we're given the diameter. Let's say it's 12. 12. So now that we're given the diameter and the formula asks for radius, we can use a little side math. We know the diameter is 2 times the radius. So 12 equals 2r, divide 2 on both sides, and we know that the radius is 6. Next, we can now use the formula A equals pi r squared. So we know that area equals pi times 6 squared, and therefore area equals 36 pi. So just to kind of summarize, area talks about all the area inside of this circle, and circumference is talking about the length of the black outline of the circle.